Got a 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. Got a ton of aftermarket goodies. Got a front bumper. Got a winch. This thing also comes with aftermarket headlights. Got a lift. Got some Panther off-road wheels. Got some pod lights and a big LED light bar running across the windshield. Got some paint to match side steps. Got 137,917 miles. Got the Sahara stitch cloth seats. Looks like you got an upgraded JVC radio. Aftermarket rear bumper, tow package.